Welcome back, everybody. Hope you guys are all doing well. Today is the 3rd of February, 2022. My name is Tank, and in this video, we're going to be talking about what's going on in the Cosmos ecosystem. I'll be giving you guys my 2 cents about what I'm seeing in the charts for a lot of these assets in the Cosmos ecosystem, and then where I think things might be going for the entire ecosystem here shortly. And then on the back end of this video, I want to really quickly touch base on an article that has a lot of importance going forward for everybody who's staking their tokens on a proof of stake network, guys. We're going to be talking about something really big happening in the court systems for the US. Before I get into all of that though, if you guys would do me a huge favor, like the video, subscribe to the channel. I will have you know that when you do subscribe to my channel, not only are you being a great supportive person and helping me grow here on YouTube, but you could possibly win yourself a 15-inch flat screen TV and or MSI 2060 GPU once we hit 1,000 subscribers. So do me a favor, do yourself a favor, do everybody a favor, like the video, subscribe to the channel. I just want to put this out there real quick, guys. I'm sorry I haven't been making my regular updates or videos. I said in my previous video that I came down with something. I thought it wasn't COVID. Lo and behold, I took another test. It is COVID. I've had COVID for some time now. It really hit me hard. I even feel bad right now. I'm feeling pretty dizzy, but I have to make these videos. I have to stay consistent. So again, guys, if you guys would do me a huge favor, because it really does motivate me. It really does help me out a lot when you guys do subscribe. So do me a favor and subscribe to the channel. Trying to do these videos even though I'm sick and get this information out there to you guys. Right now, guys, we're taking a look at Atom on the daily time frame. We're still using Market Cipher as our primary oscillator and indicator tool of choice. As you guys can see, we're just hovering right underneath our 200 SMA. I told you guys before that I thought that we might do something like we did right here in the past, where we just kind of wick underneath the 200 SMA for a little bit and then come back up for another rally. Now, there's a couple of things that are actually happening right now geopolitically that could throw that off, but I'm still of the mindset that the next couple of months for the Cosmos ecosystem is going to be extremely bullish. So I'm not going to stray away from that. So far, everything that I've thought is going to be happening for the Atom price has been happening. So I'm just going to stick with it until it's broken, guys. Unless it's broken, I'm not going to try to fix it, guys. Right now, everything just looks a-okay in my opinion. We're trading right now for 27.14 cents. We are trying to rally back up. If you can see this on the lower time frames, let's go to the 1 hour. You can see that we just did a double bottom right here, and it does look like we're trying to climb right back up to the 1 hour 200 SMA, which is right around $28.86. I'm not going to speculate all too much other than that, because of course things are very volatile right now. But I do think that if we can just keep this momentum, we will probably get back up to $28 and probably hold anywhere between $28 and $30 over the next couple of days, unless the entire market decides to just take a dump. And then we all know what happens after that, guys. We're going to dump along with it. Just to give you guys some food for thought, though, let me zoom out a little bit more on the daily time frame and show you guys the key levels of support that I'm following. So far, we have this humongous trend line to the upside, which has still not been broken. We are still well above this trend line. We could come all the way down to this trend line, which is right around $20-ish, and we still would be a-okay, guys. We'd still be an upward trend ever since starting this upward trend for Atom's chart. And as I've explained in my previous videos, I've also done a lot of calculations on the average move below the 200 SMA once we break the 200 SMA. And right now, guys, we are still looking at about 39.17% total average move down once breaking the 200 SMA. So that could bring us all the way down to right around here, guys, which is again anywhere from $17 to $20. I think that's a good level of support. Like I've said in my previous videos, also that would just bring us right here on this line, which is previous support and or resistance. Usually those things in the past do hold up in the future. Until that totally gets invalidated, I'm just going to stick with my predictions, guys. If we see some more downward selling pressure, we could come all the way down to right around here, be absolutely fine, and then find some really good support and just be on our way like we've been doing for some time. That's what I have right now for Atom, guys. Let's go ahead and jump on into the Osmosis info tab right here and check out what's going on in the Cosmos ecosystem. As you guys can see right now, Osmosis is trading for $7.54. If we go on over to its chart, you can see that right now it's just testing. You can see that right now it's just retesting previous resistance. Again, that's usually how things go. You have to retest previous resistance to see if you can flip it into support. I think Osmosis or Osmo is a really strong token. I think the tokenomics are really bullish. The potential upside is like really high. So again, guys, I don't think that even if we do break below these recent resistance levels that we had, even if we break down below that, we could just come down to right around $6.80 before making another push to the upside. Let's take a look at a couple of the other ones. Juno right now doing phenomenally well, guys. $20.45. I tried to tell you guys many times before why I think you guys should own yourself some Juno. I still think that if you guys want to know more about that, go check out my playlist on YouTube. I have many videos. I have one in particular which explains to you guys why I think you guys should definitely get yourself some Juno for the long haul. But yeah, definitely check that out. Right now, guys, we are getting close to trying to find all-time highs again and just get into that blue sky territory. Don't sleep on Juno. It has so much potential going forward, guys. It's like buying ETH when ETH was $20. I'm telling you right now, it's like buying ETH when ETH was $20. I don't care what you feel about ETH. Look at the charts, and it's like that, I promise you. Let's go on over to Stargaze, guys. Stargaze trading for 66 cents right now. If you go on over to the All tab, as you guys can see, just coming back down, testing previous support, seeing if we can bounce off it and maybe push back up to almost 80 cents. I do think Stars is another great project in the Cosmos ecosystem. I think that one will definitely be a long-term hold. I think that's potentially going to see $5 here shortly, especially when their platform is fully launched and going, guys. I think that's going to be just a no-brainer. So with that being said, guys, let's go ahead and talk about what I really wanted to talk about on the back end of today's video. This is this article from Blockworks. I was made aware of this article from a member in our Discord. But anyway, I'm going to go into what this article is all about. In win for crypto stakers, IRS offers refund on untraded token rewards. Now I'm going to go ahead and read a bunch of this article because this is really important for a lot of you guys to understand going forward the potential that this has for a lot of us who are staking our assets on proof of stake networks. This is humongous, guys. A decision to refund taxes paid on staking rewards could have large implications for how proof of stake miners and stakers are taxed in the future. Again, guys, this is going to be really important, especially if this case sticks. In a win for cryptocurrency stakers and miners, the IRS proposes not to tax unsold tokens of Tennessee couple. Tokens obtained through proof of stake protocols are taxpayer created property and should not be taxed until sold or exchanged, the Nashville couple argued in May. The article goes on to say a decision to refund a Nashville couple tax related to unsold Tezos tokens is set to clarify the IRS tax treatment of staked cryptocurrency. In a win for cryptocurrency stakers and miners, the IRS has offered to refund the couple taxes paid on rewards gained, but not redeemed, from staking the Tezos blockchain, according to people familiar with the matter. Official court filings were made public on Thursday, indicating that the bench trial is set for March 2023 unless the case is settled following the conclusion of the discovery process in mid-March of this year. In May 2021, Joshua and Jessica Jarrett requested a refund of $3,293 of income tax paid in 2019 for the receipt of 8,876 Tezos tokens. According to the legal complaint filed on May 26, 2021 with the U.S. District Court from the Middle District of Tennessee, the couple also sought a $500 increase in tax credits for lost income. Again, guys, if you guys aren't kind of following along with why this is really important, this next paragraph is where it all ties together, so follow along with this, okay? Tokens obtained through proof of stake protocols are taxpayer created property and should not be taxed until sold or exchanged. The complaint claims that nothing under United States law or IRS code and regulations allow for taxpayer created property to be taxed as income. The decision to offer a refund, which was rejected by the Jarretts, has potentially large implications for how proof-of-stake miners and stakers are taxed in the future. A representative from the IRS declined to comment, and the agency has not yet published any formal policy statement. So again, guys, this has really big implications going forward. Hopefully, these people win this case, because if they do, that's going to set the stage for all of us going forward. I know a lot of you guys, like myself in the Cosmos ecosystem, are staking your assets, guys, and you guys don't want to be paying the government needlessly if you guys don't have to. It's all about trying to protect your capital and not giving it away for stupid reasons, right? I know I'm all about paying your taxes, but this is just ridiculous. So hopefully this sticks. Again, guys, if you guys would, please do me a huge favor. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, stay in profits, don't overextend. As always, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.